Hey, what's up, guys? It's well, Tony. You obviously know me if you added me. I'm gonna be doing some butterfly. I'm gonna be doing the most practiced butterfly knife trick I have. Let me find it. I don't. Oh, there it is. This is it. I think it's about 6 inches. It's a standard butterfly knife. Actually, legitimately sharp. Hold on, let me find a book. Fifth grade yearbook. Fifth grade yearbook. Clear cut. Show it again on this side. It's there, right? Solid. Well, hell, it failed that time. And again. Either way it cut. It'll cut me. Don't try this at home. And my mom's calling, so oh well. Anyways, you have the standard open and close. Standard open, close. You also have the Zen rollover.
Company.
Oh, I do? Oh, I got company. That works. Anyways, what's up, man? By the way, this is Dumpy. Say hi, Dumpy.
Sup?
Move out of the camera. I'm about to do a trick.
Okay.
See, this is the Zen rollover.
Oh, you're gonna do that with me in the room?
Okay, yeah. All right. Didn't do it that fast, but what?
Oh, that's fucking.
Yeah, the heater's there, buddy.
Oh,
And
yeah.
this is, by the way, this is going on Facebook. I'm gonna tag you in it now because you were.
So.
No, move your hand. Try it again, faster, different angle for you. Jam my finger Thursday, so this isn't, or Wednesday, this isn't the best time to do it, but probably didn't see that because I dropped it out of the camera, but
I hate you for being able to do this.
it works. Anyways, yeah, have fun. Bye.